OCO. My name is James Hermes, and I'm a drum maker in Southern California. Dancing Bear Indian Trader and myself would like to invite you to a class on how to make your own elk rawhide hand drum, or as I like to affectionately call them, boom booms. The class will be Sunday, January 21st from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the shop of Dancing Bear Indian Trader in Escondido, California. Not only will you learn how to make your own hand drum, but you'll learn some of the history and the traditions and the singing style done with this style hand drum on the Native American powwow circuit. Come to the drum class and we'll tell some jokes, we'll learn together, we'll laugh together, and hopefully you'll laugh with me and not at me because I can't tell sometimes. But let's come on over and we'll learn how to make some hand drums, and we get enough people to sign up, maybe we can set off the Richter scale, make everybody think there's a big earthquake from the boom booms. Is it true that if Sabea and Chris Tracy from Dancing Bear come that they'll ride side saddle on a buffalo into the middle of the class?